I'll see if I can take out the power cord first.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to the weather radio, commercially sources for the latest. This is no weather radio, KHC 97.
I think they might have already went already.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, WNG 619, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We can find the latest available information for North Central Ohio over station WNG 619 from ground on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. On the latest weather map, a cold front will move across the region late this afternoon into the evening. In the wake of the front, high pressure controls the region through Tuesday morning.
Oh, Ashland's in this. Also, I just want to bring up the fact that right as that watch got issued, the breeze just intensified over here.
Around 5 miles per hour. Tuesday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 60s. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tuesday night, cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Not as cool with lows in the mid-50s. East winds around 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Wednesday, showers. Highs around 70.
KDO 94 time, baby. Getting started right away.
An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Geauga County in northeastern Ohio until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kinsman to near North Bloomfield to South Russell, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Warren, Niles, Hubbard, Cortland, Newton Falls, South Russell, Lordstown, Middlefield, Garrettsville, Kinsman, North Bloomfield, Burton, Manaway, West Farmington, Chesterland, Vienna Center, Hilltop, Bristolville, Levittburg, and Maplewood Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Geauga, Portage, and Trumbull.
I heard that train. Mahoning and Trumbull, 70.
And woman red message.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of New Wilmington to near Niles, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and ping pong ball-sized hail. Source, trained weather spotters. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Youngstown Warren Airport gusted to 68 miles per hour. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Youngstown, Warren, Boardman, Niles, Campbell, Hubbard, Canfield, Lordstown, Vienna Center, Hilltop, Maplewood Park, Levicksburg, Austintown, Struthers, Girard, Vienna, McDonald, Poland, Ellsworth, and Lowellville. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Mahoning, and Trumbull.
And woman red message. And woman red message.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Columbiana County of east central Ohio, southern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, western Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oakwood, or 7 miles west of Newcastle, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Newcastle, Hermitage, Butler, Grove City, Elwood City, Comacro, Vendura, Shannon, Northview, Meridian, Slippery Rock, Meadowood, New Wilmington, Oak Hills, Oakwood, Newcastle Northwest, New Beaver, Pulaski, Nixon, Elford, Prospect, and Bessemer. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 1 and 6. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 90 and 117. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 17, and between mile markers 43 and 44. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 23. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm.
Fuck off! The goddamn 2-minute timer.
And woman red message.
I don't care.
in northeastern Ohio until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Boardman, or just south of downtown Youngstown, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Youngstown, Boardman, Campbell, Austintown, Struthers, Olin, New Middletown, and Lowellville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Mahoning, Ohio.
And one unread message. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Buffalo, Ladina, Cuyahoga Falls, Barbertown, Green, Wadsworth, Tallneck, Whitman, Mogador, Chippewa, New Franklin, Norton, Fairlawn, Monroe Falls, Lakemore, Seville, Clinton, Westfield Center, Gloria Glens Park, and Chippewa on the Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Montana and Summit. This is NOAA Weather Radio WNG 698 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for North Central Ohio over station WNG 698 from Grafton on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. The forecast for North Central Ohio. West of tonight, mostly cloudy late this evening, then becoming partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms late this evening. Lows in the mid-40s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Monday, mostly sunny. Cooler with highs in the mid-60s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Monday night, mostly clear.
I'll see if I can take out the power cord first.